Hello and welcome to my third video in my JavaScript series, and in this video we'll probably go through basic mass operators and also concatenation. So I'll just put all the mass operators here so it's easy to see, and I'm pretty sure you should know them already. Multiplication is, asterisk. Remainder, which I don't think we should be using too much. It is a percentage sign. Division, obviously forward slash, and your powers as double asterisks. So let's just console log all our calculations. So let's say 5 plus 5, 5 plus 5, let's go into our console, and this should return 10. Okay, 5 minus 5 should return 0. 5 times 5 should return 25. 5 divided by 5, 1. Quick math. 5 percentage 5, and you should get a remainder of 0 because 5 goes into 5 one time. So for example, if I wanted to find out 6, remainder of 5, then it should be 1 because 6 goes into 5 one time. Sorry, 5 goes into 6 one time, and that leaves a remainder of 1. And then if you want to find 6 to the power of, let's say 2, it should be 36. So that was just a really quick intro. I don't think we should spend a lot more time on it, and I think we should get on to having variables and actually having calculations done on them. So let's have two different variables. Let x equals, let's say 5, and let y equals 6. And let's do every single calculation that we just done so far. Actually, sorry, this isn't zoomed in well enough, is it? Oh, it doesn't change anything. Anyway, ignore that. So we have two different variables that we've declared, and x is equal to 5, y is equal to 6. So they're both numbers. So let's obviously put our console log, and instead of just writing 5 plus 6, what we can do is write x plus y. So it's pretty much the same thing as I just did at the start of the video, and just try and guess what comes up. This should come up as 11. If we minus 1, 5 times 6, 30. 5 divided by 6, this really long decimal number. Remainder of 5, and it's going to come up as a pretty big number, 15,625. So as you can see, we can use variables which store numbers to carry out calculations. And one other concept I want to touch up on is concatenation, as I just said at the start of the video. And this is when, let's say you have a string or two strings, and let's say subscribe to SA2 programming. So x is now declared as subscribe to, which is a string, and y holds a value of SA2 programming. And instead of obviously adding two numbers, what we can do is add two different strings, and this returns a value of subscribe to SA2 programming. So let me just put a space, since even though we have put spaces here and here, it doesn't really read those spaces, and we have to put spaces between the strings. So what it does is it adds both strings together. Obviously The thing is, you can't minus, that obviously returns some sort of problem here. You can't times, you can't do any of the other operators because they are not numbers, pretty much. Anyway guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and in the next video we'll be talking about logical operators and how we can use them. Anyway, see you in the next video. Bye.